Hi guys, welcome to a new video. So today I want to make akra beans, and this is my first time using whole beans. As you can see, the beans is not cracked. In the last video I shared with you guys can see the beans is whole, right? I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, something like this is whole. So the last video I shared with you guys, I use cracked beans, and when you use cracked beans, it's easier to take off this the skin. It's easier to peel the beans. So what's happening is that I have whole beans, and I tried peeling it yesterday using one of CCME's methods that she shared in her video using a blender, and if you look, you can see that some parts look like they were trying to blend. You can see that they look really they look blended here. So I tried to use that her method to peel it, and it instead started blending it, so I could not peel it anymore. I just decided that and I've seen a couple of videos where people make their akra beans without peeling it, without taking off the skin, and I actually do not know the reason why we take off this skin. So I'm going to try it today and see what's going to happen. So I blended the first batch, and it doesn't look white. You guys know when you blend your akra beans, it's really white after you have picked it, but let me go to where there's better lighting. This is what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, there's better lighting here. You guys can see it's not very white. It has some particles, like some black dots, because of this the peel, the skin of the beans, but that's no problem. So I'm going to blend it, and then I'll fry it and come back and show you guys what it looks like after frying without peeling the beans. If you want to see a full how to make akra beans recipe, please check it out. I'll leave it in the description box. It's on the channel. So I'm just going to go ahead to blend the rest, fry it, and then I'll show you guys what the fried akra looks like. So I'm just whisking it to see if it's going to fluff out just like the one that we peel, and I think it's fluffing out really well. At the beginning it was looking so thick. Daniel, why are you shouting? At the beginning it was looking so thick, but right now it's actually fluffing out really well. It's becoming airy. I'm just going to do some more whisking, then I'll show you guys. It has to be lightweight. Like if you have watched the other video, you could see that when I was lifting it with the whisk, it was so lightweight. Let's keep whisking and see how it goes. So the one thing I'm going to say is, if you intend to make your akra beans without peeling the beans, you want to make sure that you whisk it very well. When you whisk it very well, it becomes airy, as you fry, after frying, let's say the first and second batch, you want to go in and whisk again, because the last batch that we made was very thick and not airy because we did not whisk. You would actually see it, you see your batter becoming so thick, but I never noticed this when I was frying my akra beans that I've peeled already. So I don't know if it's directly related to the peel or not, but that's one thing I noticed. Now, do you think that the peeling that we take out of our beans when we're making akra, do you think that it has some nutrients that we are missing out on? Leave it in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe.